It is very important to leave the fingers on the string and don't lift the fingers unless you absolutely have to. Why? Because this is a good habit to build to keep the fingers from getting in the way, and also to keep them organized and help yourself speed up much faster. There's also other reasons, which I'll be happy to discuss with you if you choose to take private lessons with me. But yeah, it's pretty important, so just do it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also invite you to visit my website where there's more information about me and the lessons I teach. Thanks for watching.